Wicked, wicked. Jungle is massive. Wicked, wicked.
So there's a few PowerPoints and worksheets you're going to have to open today. What you'll have to do then is, as per previous lessons, is save them and then submit them up onto Teams for me to mark and then give you some feedback. Okay, so very first thing you need to do today, there's a starter worksheet on class charts, and you need to open that up. You need to complete it. You need to save it, ready to upload at the end of the lesson. Okay. As it says on this slide here, remember this will need to be uploaded to the assignment that's on Teams. Okay. Next task. Once you've done that, there is a PowerPoint on class charts called Recap. You need to open that up for me, and you just need to have a quick read through that, and that will recap the previous lesson that you did last week. Once you've done that, next task is to open up the PowerPoint that's called Introduction. You're going to need to read through that PowerPoint as well, and then once you've read through that, there is a video clip here on this hyperlink. Okay, you need to click that and you'll need to watch that video as well. Then next task is to open up the PowerPoint that's called Pattern Recognition, again from class charts. As well as that, you need to open up the Pattern Recognition Word document. So the example of the Word document is here. You're going to need to open up both of those documents, and then once they're open, you're going to need to follow through the instructions on the PowerPoint. Then I want you to go onto something that you've done or used before the half term, studio.co.org. I want you to go onto it, and you're going to look at pattern recognition whilst you're on there. So you don't have to log in as you were before the holiday. So you can go on, and I just want you to click on this link that's here. Okay, have a go at that. Whilst you're having a go at that, those activities on studio.co.org, think about pattern recognition as you're doing it and what pattern recognition is. And then the final task to today is, or I say the final task, there's one more after it actually. So the final task today is to click onto that link, complete the test. You must get all the answers correct. Screen print your results as evidence. And remember, any evidence documents images from today's lesson need to be uploaded to Microsoft Teams. There is a function, or should be a function, available on class charts for you to put it there, but it needs to go on to Teams. You should all be quite aware of how to get on to Microsoft Teams and how to upload your work to Microsoft Teams for me to mark. Again, any issues with any of that, then you just let me know, okay? And by saying there is another task, the other task is make sure that you get that work onto Microsoft Teams. And as I said, any issues, just let me know. Email me, martin.warren@thedeanacademy.org.